Hey legends!
I'm Jazzy.
And I'm Robbie.
Have you ever wanted to have that dream date night at home?
Creating that Pinterest, Tumblr look may seem very overwhelming, but do not worry. We are going to show you how to take your date night to the next level.
Find all the twinkling string lights you have and start wrapping and hanging them. In our backyard, we have this perfect spot right underneath a tree.
Next thing is to start adding some rugs. We have this large cream rug that is honestly perfect. If you don't have any large rugs, no problem. You can combine smaller rugs, mats, or even blankets.
Now, you are going to want to make this date night super comfy, so gather every pillow and blanket you have and add them to your look. I love the fluffy blankets and neutral earthy tones, but mix match colors look great too.
So far, it's looking pretty basic, so find a few items around the house to take this date night to the next level. You can add flower vines, dream catchers, and candles. Remember, less is more.
I find small tables are essential. It just makes food and drink more accessible. If you don't have any small tables, you can create your own by using pot plant stands and wooden platter boards.
Extra lighting is optional but highly recommended. If you're bringing lamps from inside the house, just make sure that they aren't made of glass.
Finally, make yourself some pizza and cocktails, sit back and enjoy.
This setup isn't just for a date night. It can be great for parties and gatherings with friends too. Just add extra rugs, blankets and pillows and you're ready to go.
Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below any video suggestions you would like to see from us.
And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.
See ya!